Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 9. This is Section 1.3, Problem 9. We have three numbers to add together, 5,964, 1,248, and 8,740. So, it's written in a format where we are ready to start adding together. I will start in the far right column and add the digits in that column. So I start with 4 plus 8 plus 0. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 0 is still 12. So for 12, I write the 2 from the 12 beneath that column of digits. I take the 1 from the 12, carry it to the top of the next column of digits, and then I will add 1 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. So for 15, I write the 5 from the 15 under that column of digits. Then the 1 I carry to the top of the next column of digits. And then I will add 1 plus 9 plus 2 plus 7. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. So for 19, I take the 9 from the 19, write it beneath that column of digits, take the 1 from the 19, carry it to the top of the next column of digits, and then I will add 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 more is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So since there is no next column of digits, I can write the 15 all together. And then if you like, if you go in 3 digits from the right, you can put a comma, and that would be 15,952.